One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Afternoon, Chobos. Hope you are all well. Are we ready? First NFP of the year. Let's get to it. All right, Choppers, good afternoon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And once again, congratulations to you guys for reaching that 4,000 mark. We're sitting comfortably now. So, yep, it's just a matter of time that we reach 5,000, then you're going to get your next whistle. So, yeah, it's NFP today. What is your anticipation? What is your expectation? Please let me know on the comment section. Let's mark the register today. We've got KG Mampuru, which is of course our good sir Koroshi there. We've got CDs also in the house, and good afternoon, Choppers, and Mr. President. Good afternoon, my good sir. We have Mukela as well in the house, and good afternoon, Mr. President and the Choppers. It's time to chop the market. It's NFP time. Yeah, indeed. All the best to everyone that is going to be trading NFP. Sange is also in the house. We've got KG 10 Wave FX, is Mr. President. Good to see you, my friend. Kuto is also in the house. Good afternoon, El Presidente and the Choppers. Good afternoon to you, Kuto. Be reminded to like the stream. Please ensure that you like the stream as many times as you can. Right. So, what is your anticipation? What are you expecting? What are you expecting today? I'm shortly going to run a poll just now. But what is your expectation? What are you expecting today? What are you expecting to happen? But some of you always ask me, what am I having today? So today is just coffee and water, right? Nothing much, no whiskey, no gin, um, only coffee and water. So, yeah. Looking at the heat map yesterday, let's just do a recap just before we go on the heat map. Let's look at what we did yesterday and see what happened there. Right. So yesterday I decided not to close. As you know, that we took a buy on WTI crude, and I wanted to close it because we have just passed our 2 hour mark. But when I went to the 1 hour time frame, I figured out that I'm still safe even if I can let this thing go for the next day and let my entry now be on, as much as it was on 15 minutes. When I looked at my potential loss for that trade, right? Remember, I said it's a B trade. So if it's a B trade, then I don't go heavy on a lot size, right? So I decided to just let it ride and see the next day what's going to happen. And if you held this also with me, yeah, beautiful trade. As you know, that we entered this yesterday here at $73.05. This is where we had our entry yesterday on this rejection candlestick there. On WTI, and as you see, it went straight to our TP, smashed our TP at $73.68. And I wanted to see if I can take some sell short positions there. But as you see, I didn't have my rejection candlestick. So let me show you on 1 hour. So if you look at the 1 hour time frame, right? What made me comfortable to leave this thing is that I had a rejection candle here, right? I had this rejection candle here and another one printed. So that was my 2 hours, right? So I had this one here printing and I had another one here printing. So I was like, okay, I'm now switching over from 15 minutes to 1 hour because it has printed the very same thing on 1 hour. And you know, when I trade 1 hour, 4 hours, I don't mind leaving the trade for the next day, right? I can swing it, it doesn't really matter, right? So yeah, beautiful trade, hit our TP. I lost one trade this week, won one. So it's not all bad for me for now. I think the future is bright for the week. Today we're gonna see what's going to happen. And we said yesterday we are going to look for short-term buying opportunities on the euro dollar. As you know that the New York Stock Exchange did not open yesterday, so the market was quite choppy. But we wanted to see if we can go up. Remember, we discussed this downward trend here that we had on 5 minutes here, and I was against it here on the stream. But I can never want to look for that sell setup, and this is what happened. When some of you took a sell here, I said I'm not going to take a sell because for me this was clear that it can be a trap. So I didn't take it, and as you see, it's been choppy ever since. This morning, however, I wanted to see if I can have a retracement back to at least $1.02 there, so that I can buy at the discount and maybe possibly exit at $1.03. Currently trading at $1.03 here on the euro dollar. So POC trading at 1.3055. I will want to see how we handle this level. Please let me know in the comment section, what is your plan with regards to this? Are you buying euro dollar or are you selling euro dollar? So we were short-term bullish on the euro dollar and also short-term bullish on British pound USD. If you could remember, we did mark $1.23 and we said when we arrive at that point, we're gonna wait for this rejection candlestick. If you could remember, we drew this yesterday, the indecision candlestick, the rejection candlestick, and we're gonna look to buy. So today, as it is, I will want to see it on the 1 hour time frame. Well, it's quite confusing because one would say if we had a trap at $1.23, I think the trap has already materialized for retail traders to come to trade this as a retest, right? And come back to this lows here. And as you see, it did not do that. Hence, I was saying just be careful there. I didn't think that we could break below $1.22 yesterday on the British pound USD. So we will see how it goes. And as you know, AUD USD, we were bearish yesterday. So let's see how it played out. So yeah, I wanted to get some sell short positions at 62 cents. We did mark 62 cents yesterday, right? To say at this level, we want to look for selling opportunities there on AUD USD. I told you that I don't think this level will hold, which was 61 cents, which then reminds me of Bitcoin and something that we're also going to look at shortly. So as you see, we wanted to get a sell short position, but I did not get. If you took this sell short position on AUD USD, let me know. I did not get my rejection candlestick there, hence why I did not sell it, right? I waited for something like this so that I can sell, but unfortunately the entry candlestick did not print. However, today it's NFP and there's a lot going on. Nasdaq, on the other hand, is still consolidating. Yesterday we drew this box to say that as long as we are playing within this box, Nasdaq is not going anywhere, right? We'll make decisions if we break above 21,200 and break below 20,981. I think that's where I'll feel comfortable taking positions there. POC currently trading at 21,085, right? For me, it's still, I'm undecided there. I think Nasdaq as well is also not, I can't make sense of it, right? Because it's choppy, it's moving sideways, more especially on the 15 minutes time frame. So for me, it's too risky for me to take this trade as it is now. A Bitcoin, Right. So we are getting that retracement on Bitcoin currently trading at 95,000. Like I said yesterday, I don't think 92,000 will hold. So I wouldn't be surprised if around this area here we smash below this 92,000. I don't think it's going to hold, as I said yesterday. But we'll just see throughout the day what happens. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Like I said, I'm going to be short term bearish on NASDAQ. Right. Choppers, if you just joined us, please do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, what do we have on the comment section? If you just join us again, choppers, don't forget to like and subscribe. So NFP is going to hit in the next few minutes. We've got, is it Yeye Vlo GSRSA saying El Patron? Good to see you, my friend. Becky Kuneni says, salute, President. Salute to you, my friend. Sipe Sunday is saying, full margin day. All the best, my friend. I'm praying for you. Umpimeti say, Mr. President, good to see you there, Umpimeti. KG Trend Wave, you say, ICGJ flip daily candle 295 yen against the British pound. We'll have a look at it now. I'm currently on NZD, can't buy, and I'm looking to hold until next week Friday. We'll also have a look at it. Mukele is saying, I see gold going bullish. In fact, we haven't looked at gold. Let's have a look at gold, right? So yesterday we wanted to buy gold, but like I said, I like buying at discounts, right? Because if you buy at the low, you buy at the discount, you potentially make more money, right? So for me, yesterday I marked this price here at POC was trading at $2,648 an ounce there. So I wanted to buy there to get it at a discount. However, it just went up to the upside there without any chance for me to jump in. I don't know, but are we hitting for 2,700? It's also a possibility. I think maybe we can try to see if we can find support at 2,692. This can be our first support, and the next one will potentially come at 2,700. Maybe we use this as a place where this market can potentially go there. I think for me, I'm not gonna wait for this thing to go at this high, say $2,718 an ounce there. I don't think this is a level I'm gonna look to. If I'm gonna buy this, I'm not going to put my TP here. My TP will come at least at 2,700 mark, straight where it is, or at 2,692. And I'll tell you why. I think there's a lot of orders piling up at this area here. So I would not want to entertain those levels, right? So yeah, my TP is gonna be at 2,692 or 2,700. That's gold there if I'm going to buy it. But let me see what happens with regards to NFP, and I'm gonna make decisions from there. NZD saying is KG trend wave is saying to Sange NZD it's falling. Inito, good to see you, my friend. All ready for NFP on the grid? Yeah, we're ready, man. Let's see what happens. Selling euro dollar, that's Inito there. If recent US data like the GDP, inflation, and employment has been strong, it's likely NFP to report will surprise us to upside, strengthening the US. The ECB dovish stance compared to the first potential hawkishness may favor the strong dollar in the short term. But well, my friend, you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. At this point, I'm just going to be reactive, right? I'm just going to react to what I see, simply because I just opened up my books, so I've got enough margin to play around, right? So I'm just going to be reactive to what I see, and I'm not gonna try to play it safe. I'll just go with the flow, right? So yeah, preferably if I have a strong dollar, that's a good thing for me. But even if the dollar is not strong, I'll just react and try to take positions from there. Lily Digital Market is a compliment, sir. Compliments to you too. Hilda Chapel, sir. I thought I'm late. We just started now. 15 minutes to go until NFP hit. Right, KG is saying I'm aiming $2,697 an ounce there on gold. Let's see what is happening strength wise. Who's strong, who's weak just before NFP. So we can clearly see that the euro is quite strong. So that short term bullish momentum that we were expecting is still there, it's still printing nicely. And we'll follow it as it goes. A US dollar, on the other hand, is still neutral, in my opinion, only down against the euro and only down against the British pound and down against the yen. So yeah, I would say for me it's quite neutral. AUD weak as like yesterday, it has been weak this thing. So I'm expecting that it continues to be weak. So yeah, if you are, let's say it's not NFP, right? You are just trading and it's not NFP. Maybe the market is just open. It wouldn't make sense for you to buy AUD USD, right? You just obviously going to mitigate your risk there and see how you can take advantage of this, because this thing, if you study it well, it's been weak for quite some time now. British pound, on the other hand, yesterday we switched over from weakness to strength, I would say, because nothing is red against it, only against the Japanese yen. Japanese yen continues, like I said yesterday, I'm expecting yen to strengthen for the first quarter of the year. That is just my analysis looking at the weekly and the monthly charts on all yen pairs, especially the majors, right? Um, so yeah, it's strong again today. Yen continues to be strong even today, and Canadian dollar is weak. So I'd say the weakest currency that we would have today is NZD, Canadian dollar, and AUD. Right. So you just need to use common sense there, that you don't trade for currencies that you see that they are weak on the hitman, right? So yeah, I don't really pay much attention to Singapore dollar, Hong Kong dollar, and Chinese yuan. I don't really pay much attention, but yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, Salif is asking for a signal there, choppers. Maybe you can assist Salif there. All right, guys, if you just joined us, please ensure that you like and subscribe. Do us a favor by liking the stream and subscribing. We have 70 people watching the stream, and only few of you have subscribed and only have liked the stream. So yeah, let's ensure that we like the stream, guys. Only 21 of you have liked the stream, and yeah, we have 67 people watching and only 21. We can do better, choppers. It's just a click away, right? Just click there, like. It's a thumbs up there. You just like, share it also to your neighbor, to your friends, colleagues, and tell them, yeah, we are trading. What was going to be my approach after hitting TP on WTI? So I think if I'm going to look for selling opportunities, guys, again, I'm going to mention this, right? If you have struggled trading last year, right, when you look at your books for the year, you didn't really make good money, or you broke even, or you lost money. This is the 100th time I'm going to say this. Study WTI, and start trading WTI. Do yourself that favor. Every now and then I'm just posting trades and taking this WTI. I think it's now becoming number one on my trading list. Every time I open TradingView, I'm looking at analyzing WTI. That's the first thing I want to analyze, right? I'm telling you, and it depends on which broker you are using. If the spread is not bad, take intraday setups of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even 1 hour, right? Of course, we would encourage you to use the broker that is sponsoring this event, which is Octa, right? And by the way, guys, if you want to trade with us and join our private group, there's a link down below there. You can join us and we can work together, trade together, and we'll see how we can give you some coaching, some training, and some mentorship there in that regard. So yeah, you just sign up with Octa, you open an account, send me a WhatsApp, and I'm gonna add you on the group. It takes me 1 minute, in fact, less than 1 minute to add you on the group. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are ready for NFP. I hope you are ready. So I think what I will do now, currently trading, you see, we spoke about this yesterday again. I think it was the morning session, right? That if we are expecting to get some sell short positions at this point, it's just a matter of time that we go down and potentially go back to that $75 per barrel, right? And that's where we are currently trading this thing. Okay, we are trading this there now. Look at it on the weekly. This thing is coming all the way from 126. So WTI is quite low, right? But I think we are going to, again, when I look at WTI, I look at Japanese yen, I think the first quarter of the year, I think it's going to do well, right? I think it's going to do well. So I'll continue buying these things up until if I get this level here. If I get to this level here, $74.63, I'll want to see either I'm gonna reload positions from there, or I'm gonna wait to reload at this level here and make a new high, possibly to $76 a barrel there. All right. So yeah, few minutes to go. I'm running a poll there. Let me know and participate there. Let us know if you are going to buy WTI, or you're going to buy euro dollar. You see what I've been saying about WTI. It's even in my tongue every now and then. I'm talking about WTI. I'm telling you, man. I don't want to say it's the easiest, but the way in which we trade as choppers, right? I think this is the easiest way to trade this thing, right? Easiest way to make a quick buck, right? Because most of you are obsessed with gold, and gold is that disappointing partner. He's always disappointing, right? So maybe give it a break and see, and study WTI. I'm not saying go trade WTI. I'm saying watch it, look at. I was given homework yesterday by, I think it was Mukela, right? You were saying I must look at XRP. It's something that I'm looking at, and that is what this community is all about, plugging one another with some information. But we won't tell you go trade this or that. We are saying go look at it, because when it comes to ourselves, we see good returns on this thing, right? So have a look at it. If it's not in line with our strategy, then maybe humble yourself and ask us, how do we trade it? Okay, how do we trade this? And we can give you some information there, and you can trade it like us and try to see if you can make some cash there. All right, choppers, continue to like I said, 39 people, only 39 of you have liked the stream and 71 people are watching. Please let's do the right thing. Just click a like there. Whether you are a chopper or it's your first time, and if it's your first time here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. All right. I'm gonna have a clean chart on this. The only thing I think I would want to have it is just have my fixed range volume. Still, this thing is tapping our POC at $1.03, right? I don't know, man, but if you are trading ABC pattern, this will be your A, this will be your B, which is correction, and you are waiting for an impulse to distribute, right? If you are trading ABC pattern, right? So yeah, let's see if you are trading that. But if you are not trading ABC pattern and you are trading like me, your approach on this would either be you will take this as your first high, previous, take your FIP 2 too low, 786 would be at this level. You're gonna wait for this, and that's when you're going to go to the downside, right? If you are trading like me, that's my approach on this thing. As much as I wanna be bearish, I wanna sell at the high, not where it is. All right. Again, one person can say, but Mr. President, on 15 minutes, and I think that's what makes it difficult about trading, right? Because on 15 minutes, one will say A, B, which is correction, now C, right, which is impulsive, right? That's 15 minutes, A, B, C. And if you look at 1 hour, one would say, yeah, President, but look at this. This is my A, B, C, right? C becomes A. Now this is B, the B correction, and C, right? I would say if we were trading one time frame, I think a lot of people were fairly going to do well if we're trading one time frame, because what you see on 1 hour, the other person is seeing the opposite on a lower time frame or even a higher time frame, right? So that's why sometimes we find ourselves confused, right? So yeah, choppers, 5 minutes to go. Let me see. So our poll today is saying 50-50. 50% of you are saying you are buying, 50% are saying you are selling, right? And I think it's more like that last month we had the similar results where a lot of you were saying buying and a lot of you were also saying selling, right? Choppers, only today we're going to stream for 1 hour. I'm not going to trade until New York Open. I'm just going to trade and see if I can take some positions just 15 minutes after NFP, and I'll be out of your way, right? So it's a Friday. I just have some few things to attend to, and yeah, but Monday, remember we are back. Monday we're gonna be streaming in the morning and in the afternoon. So we're gonna have 2 sessions on Monday, London and New York. All right, if you have executed your trade, all the best to you. All the best to you. Look at that rejection candle already printing there. Those that are trading with trend lines, what do you see there? Can you see that different people trading different strategies, they see different things, right? Those that are trading trend lines, they are seeing this as a fair touch, they are going to sell, right? So again, those that are trading support and resistance, they might say, look, we are going to buy until this level here. Or maybe they can say our support or our resistance will be here, right? Depending on how you see it. But as for me, I've already showed you how I'm approaching this market, right? All right, 52 seconds to go. And yeah, let's see, man. All the best to all of you that are going to be trading this NFP. If you are trading a Profem account, the best advice I can give you is that come out now. The poll is still 51-49, so I would still say 50-50. Ten seconds to go. There it is. Sure. Look at that. Calculating the pips at this moment, we have a 50 pip move, still going down with it. Strong dollar. Strong dollar. $62 pip move, still going down with it. Look at that. Look at that. So those of you that are trading on 1 hour and you are trading ABC pattern, obviously, like I said, this your A, your B correction, you are distributing now, right? And for those of you that are trading it on 15 minutes, tough, right? AUD USD, I want to see where it is now. We could have hit our TP, as I said to you yesterday, choppers, that I can possibly take my TP on AUD USD at 61 cents and possibly going to 60 cents there on AUD USD. The reason why I said I wanted to sell AUD USD yesterday was the fact that how many retail traders are going to sell, are going to buy this, right? Many retail traders are going to buy this because this is going to look as if we are retesting a key significant area that we have touched on Monday, the 3rd of October 2022. And I said I don't think this is going to hold. I want us to go to Bitcoin again. We marked 92,000 to see if it's going to hold. Let's have a look at it. And after this, we're going to have a look at gold. Right, if you've taken a trade, please update us on the comment section there. Let's see what is happening. Right, so this is what we have currently now. It's trading at 94,000. We just went back to now to 93,000. Like I said, I was looking to sell Bitcoin, but for me, I wanted to sell it at least at this high, 96,860. This is where I wanted to sell Bitcoin and also sell Euro dollar at Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Euro dollar, as we said that we wanted to sell at this level here, which was $1.03, but it seems like it did not budge. Yeah, markets are looking good, man. I think the choppers, we were right on direction, but we don't trade the news. Look at that move on euro dollar, man. Sure. A 75, 76, 77, 78, 81 pip move on euro dollar. Let me quickly have a look at gold. Sure. Look at that gold. Look at that gold. Right, like I said, I'm going to buy gold at $2,648 an ounce. This is where I'm going. So the more it goes down, the better. If I see this gold give me a correction around 2,670, I'll make decisions from there again. But if I break above, then I can go back to these highs there that we spoke about. But depending on how we are going to handle this price here. Right, Nasdaq, we broke below the 20,900 mark, currently trading at 20,826. So it's clear on what we're going to do on Nasdaq from now on. WTI, for those who just joined us, we had a buy on WTI yesterday, hit our TP at $73 a barrel there, and right now we are currently trading at $76 a barrel. Want to see if I can reload at $74 or $73, but I'm still bullish on WTI. British Pound USD. Again, our fee was going to lend us at 0.786, and that's where we're going to potentially take ourselves short positions there. But as you see, we did not come above the $1.23. But I think the dollar obviously is going to be bossing the heat map. Obviously, the dollar is bossing the heat map. Almost up by 1% against the British pound, almost up by 1% against the USD, also almost up by 1% against the AUD. So yeah, quite strong dollar today. If you took an EU sell, well done, my friend. Congratulations to you. You did very well. US 30, it's also something we have not looked at for some time now. Our analysis on US 30 was we need to break below 42,000 so that we can go to the downside. Still choppy, in my own opinion, on 1 hour. Like I said yesterday, I don't like this. Right, trading between 43,200 and 42,184. Right, choppers, if you just joined us, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share also the broadcast to as many people as you can. If you also want to join my team, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is up there. Let me just pin it for you. Let me know you're funded with Okta. The link is just down below. You can just fund your account and let me know you're funded your account using my link. If you also need a 100% bonus, you can use this promo code trade with MJ for a 100% bonus. Can add you and you're going to be part and parcel of my group. For those of you that are in the private group, remember Monday we are starting with our 7 a.m. club where we are going to do analysis and for every approach that we are going to have throughout the week, right? So we are starting with that, right? And for those of you that are beginners, I've just prepared a beginner free course for you that you can also take advantage of. Like I said, we don't charge a fee for our services that we do for the Choppers Funded group. It's a group mentorship, it's a group coaching, if you can call it. And it's just a community, man. So, yeah, just use the link down below there, and we're good to go to trade with us. Right. What are the comments saying? Bigita is saying, how do you trade WTI, Mr. President? So support and resistance, and as easy as that. I just use support and resistance on WTI. I normally looked at my fixed range. What you see here, my friend, is the fixed range that I use. It's not actually an indicator. It's a tool that you find on TradingView. So I'll want to see the volume where there's a certain price traded. For example, yesterday, one of the reasons why I bought this thing is that if you could remember, Choppers, we wanted to see where we were in terms of our POC, right? So we saw that we were just above our POC, and we saw that we have a lot of orders that are piling up at this level here, which was $72.75. So we wanted to see if we can get any rejection candlestick above that fixed range. We are definitely looking for buying opportunities. That's how we trade WTI, as easy as that. Nothing complicated about our approach. We just keep it simple. Oradile Matlala is in the house saying, 1 minute to go. I hope you did well, Oradile, and I'm hoping 2025 you are not trading those weird pairs of yours. Right. Umpa is saying big buy on what, my friend? Big buy on what? TMS is saying choppers chopped as usual, my friend. Aussie dollar chopped. Did you take the sell? Just let me know there, or if you took that US AUD Aussie dollar sell that we spoke about yesterday. Muteoma for a sale, lovely sell on gold. Yeah, indeed, the gold sold nicely. Inicto say EU sellers. Yeah, congratulations to you guys. As much as I wanted to join you guys, I wanted to join you at a certain price, and I did not get filled at that price, but it is okay. I'll get it on the other side. Just 1 second there, Choppers. Are we still having that EU dropping? Euro dollar. I don't know why my things are mixed up these days. Let's see how much of pips do we have here. Close to 100 pips on EU. This is what we need, guys. This is the NFP that we need, right? One of the days of having pop NFP. This is what we need, more especially when we're having a choppy market. We want to see things like this, right? We need this. We need this. We need this. Tabo saying euro dollar sell chopped. Well done, my friend. Nasdaq and DJ moved so well with over 150 points. Dow Jones rather. Oradile is saying this is Oradile and Vlove. Guys, don't confuse the two Oradiles, right? We have the Oradile and Vlove who trades normal pairs, and we have the Oradile Matala who trades weird pairs, right? So I see today he traded OZ. At least welcome, my friend. You are listening now. Inito had a good data on good results. He or she must be smiling. Yeah, indeed. Nice NFP from City. So they say I loved it. Thanks, President. I managed to get I managed to get 200 for the first time on NFP, even if I got it when it was down. Well done to you, my friend. Kalin is saying USD ZA, it's a bull run. Man, I'm expecting a certain payment, so whenever you talk like that, I like it. I want to see. I don't even have it there. USD ZA, right? I don't even have it there. So yeah, sometimes life will make you be a bit selfish. I know it might not be good for our economy, but yeah, man, we are officially happy amangame, right? Again, I said it to you last year, guys. If you could remember, I did say to you that I'm anticipating 19 rand against the dollar, right? 19 rand against the dollar. After Trump won, I did mention that I'm expecting 19 rand, and that's exactly where we are. Exactly where we are, right? So, yeah. So, yeah, man, I'm expecting some money coming in this coming, if you can clock maybe today, it's in US dollars, right? So, good to see this. The only disadvantage is the tax man, but yeah, let's take what we can take from the table, guys. So yeah, well done to all of you that did well today, man. I'm happy if you are happy. I think this NFP was better than the last one. I think most people, the last one, were not happy with the volatility. Was it the last one or the one in November? There was a certain NFP that was pop, 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 pop. I can't remember if it was the last one in December or November. But this one was volatile, right? And that's what we want to see as traders. So that they made 200 bucks. Well done, man. Salif is saying Euro USD sell chopped. Well done, my friend. Uradile saying big sell, bro. Yeah, it seems like Uradile listened yesterday when we said we're gonna look for a sell on Aussie and we're gonna take a sell setup there. Koli Majuk saying USD Japanese buys chopped. Justice Zone say Euro dollar USD Japanese and gold. They are also chopped. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. Gold is still, let's see what gold is doing at this point of time. We are having a rejection on gold on 15 minutes. I'll want to see how it is.